So this is one of my best levels by far, and I'm really proud of it. It took me around 3 weeks to make, so not unbelievably long, so definitely an accomplishment of mine. If you couldn't tell already, this is a sequel of Into the Hurricane by Audiovisual. Just a small creator, around 0 creator points, and you've probably never heard of him. Really underrated. So yeah, go check him out. So yeah, this was really fun to create. Might do something like this in the future too, but I'm gonna start doing a series of building a level. That's gonna suck to edit, but why not? If we'd like to take a second to ignore my upload schedule, I'll definitely be doing some extra stuff when I have the time for it, so stay tuned or something. And of course, thank you to all my friends for supporting me through this short little journey of making this level. It was a little emotionally challenging in some times, so yeah, thank you so much. And especially a big thanks to Audiovisual again, because he was the one who even allowed me to make this level, and it's my best level, so big preach. Yeah, thank you for watching, and of course, subscribe. But that's all I've got for today. Expect me to upload within the next year. And leave a comment for any ideas that you got for future videos. I'm always open to ideas, because I don't upload enough, and that needs to fix itself.